Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today, Premier Club. This is the next release in the Premier Clubs for 2026. And I want you to see the box that did arrive damaged. Okay? We can all see that damaged box. I think the models will be okay, though. It's a really big box. But it's supposed to have two models in it. I believe it's Flapjack and Waffles. Sounds like breakfast. I'll double check that. Premier 2026 collection. Should do like general. Okay. Flapjack and Waffles. There's your breakfast menu. There's the back of the box. Alrighty, let's a little bit of bubble wrap. Yeah, I don't think we'll have a problem. Box was a little bit, but I think based on how much padding we got, we should be fine. Only one bag for the two of them. Sometimes I'll leave them on my shelf with their head peeking out the front of the bag, you know, to keep them away from all the dust and everything. I don't have a, let me see. Okay, good. We got a COA. Wasn't sure. Wasn't sure. This is very much like Christmas in August. There we got this one. I think we got let's do the pony first. Let's do the pony first. Yes, I open up my Christmas presents just as monotonously. Alrighty. Oh, what a cutie. Oh, look at the mapping on the, oh, that's lovely. That's hard to do. Look at her. Wow, nice, very nice. There's nothing wrong with this model. I'm a little bit of seam. See how the seam didn't quite get cleaned up there, but it's on the bottom. But that's about it. The paint is lovely. Yeah, that's about it. A little bit of a rough seam that trapped in the paint, so you can kind of see it. But no problem, no wobble. No wobble? Wow. Well, you got the tail too, so that's four points of contact. Hard to wobble with 4 points of contact. That's lovely. Oh, he's lovely. Okay. This is, I don't know which one's Flapjack and which one's Waffles. What does the box say? Flapjack is the trotting donkey, so that means Waffles is the Shetland pony. So, Shetland pony, Waffles. Wow, I mean, there's the holes. Like these could be like pretending like those are little waffle holes. That's very nice. Very. What do we have in Flapjack? Okay, Flapjack. Oh. Very interesting. That's nice. Very nice. That could be a problem. That's better. We don't like wobble. That's nice. He's nice. I think the pony's nicer. But he's nice. I've never seen dots like that on a donkey. I've been doing research on donkey coat patterns, and that's interesting. It's a very simple. It's maybe 3 colors. More like 2. The dilute of this here is the body. So this and this is the same. We've got a little bit of brown in here though, or peach. There's a little bit more peach in here. So that's a 3 color. Eyes are nice and glossy. That's really cool. It's a nice paint job for a spray gun. Spray paint. It's really nice. Cool. I like his tail. Little extra right there that should have been knocked off. If I knock it off now, it'll be a flaw. Right now, it's just an anomaly. So we won't touch that. But everything else is clean. Very clean, very nice. Clean seam lines. I mean, how picky do I want to get? That's a little bit off right there, but I'm not that picky. I'm looking to pick it apart right now. I first saw it and it's like it was perfect, but now I'm like looking for flaws, and nobody would ever see it unless they were looking. If they just looked at the donkey and fell in love, it would be fine. And that's usually what happens. You take a look at it, you get the multiple colors. There really is. There's a different color here underneath this dark gray. That's nice. It's a warm color. That's very subtle, but I like it very much. Just to get some more warmth to its face. That's nice. Good color airbrush control too. Okay, so he's adorable. I wonder how many different colors I could do a donkey in. And a Shetland pony, man, they're gonna go nuts with this little girl. She's gonna come out in so many colors. Isn't she pretty? Rough to put a saddle on her because she's got the mane in the way right here. So that's right where a saddle would go. But now that I'm kind of transitioning in my collection, because think I'm going to get more into customization of models. Not necessarily Breyers, but just playing around with paints and stuff, at least for a while, at least for a whole module. Anyways, I love this guy. And so they get shading by not putting on pigment. And then here's the one I did in, this one's done in acrylics. You know, that's my donkey. Yes, that's my donkey. I printed it. I own the file. That's my IP there. And then there's this one I did in oils. And this is also my donkey. A little cartoony, but I think it might appeal to more people outside of the Breyer horses world. So I have a different tail. I like this tail for printing, so I think I'll keep it, but that's a cool tail. So mine's 3D printed. And that one's so like that. I like that paint job. Starting to pay more attention to how the paint goes down, but he's really cool. So that's Flapjack and Waffles, and those are the latest release for Premier Club 2026. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.